to improve the safety performance at the plant and continuous improvement and reporting, which is also a requirement for ISO 14000. Next, please. Recent initiatives which we took, as I mentioned already. During this, we noticed we purchased a plant in Nanjangud from Max Pharma in 2004. When we took that plant, there was about 2,000 plus tons of organic waste lying in drums, and there were 4 ponds of about this size on first floor. We used to call it SEP, solar evaporation pond. What we should do, that much waste we took it. It came like a liability. Last year, all this waste was stored nicely packed. We realized that the calorific value is more than 2,500, and we supplied this waste to ACC body to burn in the kiln for cement processing, what you call co-processing. And today Nanjangud is a very clean plant. And KSPCB, Karnataka State Pollution Control Board, has also admired. About 30 tons of spent catalyst, which was just flying. See, ultimately, when we are identifying our resources or our sources of waste, also we realize that this spent catalyst can go to any other country for recycling. And this, we earned about 30 lakhs of rupees from 30 tons of spent catalyst, which we transferred to Holland for recycling. Next, please. Energy conservation, as I mentioned, we are saving about 4 lakhs rupees, roughly 43,000 of kilowatt per hour. We are awareness we are giving to all on World Environment Day, Earth Hour. We have taken technological initiatives through R&D for energy conservation in all our plants, which you will see in this year's sustainability report. We have no fatal accident last year. And on biodiversity, because of biocompost, because of spent waste, we conducted a avifauna study with the help of World Wildlife Fund for Nature, Delhi, and identified roughly 50-55 birds at each location at Gajrala and Neera near Pune. And there were 5 or 6 migratory birds. This was appreciated by Ministry Wildlife Wing. Next, please. Social, we have 3 main initiatives. Project Muskan, which is supporting government primary rural education. Swasth Prahari, which is for basic health care. And Nai Disha is livelihood generation through vocational training. And our all VTCs are recognized by the Ministry of Industry, Government of India. Next, please. Next. Corporate responsibility is our commitment. Next. You have this now with you. You can read it. We motivate, initiate, demonstrate and support. This is the 4P policy, what we call 4P model, public, private and people partnership. Next. Education activities, if you see, we have almost all the locations and roughly 1.5 lakhs children are getting education. Why we started this? Gajrala is a place in UP which is Muslim dominated. And girls were not going to school after 3rd. Why? Because the toilet facilities are not available in school. So what we did, we constructed the toilet, but electricity is not there in UP. Wherever Mayawati person is getting elected, you will find electricity. If this seat is won by Congress or BJP, then the electricity will come for 2 hours out of 24 hours. Nobody can afford generator, and this inverter also has a life of 5-6. So what to do? Just see. Next, please. Next. Next. This year we are planning from 43 schools, we are planning to cover 78 schools, and next year about 100 schools in our location. Next, please. Khel Khel Mein Pani. This is something like seesaw. I have a CD. If you have time to 2-3 minutes, you can show it afterwards. So this is connected to a overhead water tank. So when they are playing, the water is already lifted there. So this is not only initiative for climate change. Somebody might say you are only saving 1 kilowatt of electricity, but this has certainly improved the hygienic condition in 28 schools of Gajrala in UP. Next, please. This is the model. This was the exhibition organized by Ministry of Environment and Forest last year on climate change mitigation and adoption. Next. This is the model. If you see, on the right hand side there is a basin, and above that is a tank. So if the tank is full, then you can take the water. Next. These efforts were associated. This is the President of Maldives, Nasir Ahmed, and Seema Arora of CII. Next. We have awareness campaign like all other industries are doing. This is nothing much, but certainly without awareness nothing is possible. The main problem of this country is that we don't have any long-term policy on education, on family planning or on health. Daily today if you see 800 people are suffering with dengue. Tomorrow they will blame I think Pakistan because this is much more in Muslim dominated area. These are the politicians. Next. All activities for our children, please come home. They were not aware, we started birthday celebration, we started eco clubs in school also. Next. Next. This is our health activities. We have mobile vans and each plant where we have our occupational health center that is open to all the villages. We have a card system. He is part of the Jubilant family like any other employee. They can come anytime and get the facility free. For mobile van now we are charging a nominal because what has happened in Nanjangud, if you see, we used to give medical facility free. If you have any problem, go to hospital. So what will happen, somebody is not well, his distant relative, he will also come and he will go to hospital and we are paying for it. When we start paying, they close our plant for 15 days. They say pollution se humko problem hota hai, we have problem from the pollution. So that is the reason we have started now that you please give some nominal money so that you also have a belonging with the company. Next. This is, we have a program for mother and child basically during pregnancy. Next. Next. Go back please. This is another area where we have improved through vocational training. All our dresses, what uniform we have in the plant, they are stitched by the local people. So we first trained them in stitching, gave them the loan to buy the machine, we arranged a room and now they are doing it. In Nanjangud also, in Nira also and in Bajwala also. Next. Next please. As I told you, last class, this is our all training center are recognized by the Ministry of Labour, Ministry of Industry, Government of India. Next. We have trained roughly 526 people during 2009 and 10. Next. And the other training are beautician because now villagers also want, facial and threading and all those type of things. So we are training in beautician program, mobile repairing, those type of things. Next. This is training at BTC, FTC computer training, electronics. Next. This is beautician and hairdressing. And you will find much more jeans in villages nowadays because that is, and pizza shops also, I think Domino's will start soon in villages also. Next please. Employees volunteer, this is another area where we are doing, each and everybody has to participate for CSR activities. Next. Next. This year we have started Social Entrepreneurship Award in association with the SWAG Foundation for the sustainability, and this will be held in, I think, November this year. Next. These are the media partners, Hindustan Times. Let me just tell you, Jubilant is not a group of Hindustan Times, but same. Hindustan Times belongs to Mrs. Bhartiya, which is the daughter of K.K. Birla, and our CMD, CCMD is the husband and brother-in-law of Mrs. Bhartiya, which is Jubilant, and Domino's is also our sister concern. Next please. So what we learn basically, top management commitment, and that is the reason now if we have any problem, I report to CMD, CCMD and ED directly, I can just go to him. We have internal and external audit. We have focus on new initiatives, whether it is energy or technology advancement or process optimization. Recent voluntary initiatives which we took basically is the green supply chain, climate change, and we are doing very good work. I feel proud to say that we are doing very good work in climate change. And next please. This is what we say, promise only what we can do and do only what you promise. Whatever I am showing it to you, it is in sustainability report, it is on website also, and I am here standing tall in front of, I have no hesitation to say, yes, we are doing only this much, not more than this. Next. I don't believe in awards. Those who are giving awards to us, they don't know what is environment. I can name here Green Tech Foundation, Golden Peacock Award. We have it. I decided this year we will not go. The last award is very good. Syngenta, which is a MNC, they gave us a supplier award for HEC performance for 2009 and 10. Next, please. This is a motto we started last year only. We are working together for sustainability. Thank you very much.